Welcome, I'm from the Honor 9X Pro, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this phone. And to get started, what you want to do is pull down the notification panel and tap on the pencil and find the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, what you want to do is grab it like so and then drag it over here. Now it doesn't really matter where, just drag it on top and then you can go back and it should be visible here. So all you need to do now is simply tap on it, allow whatever it wants, and okay. Let's tap on start recording. It also gives us a quick little guide on how to stop recording, so we can use shortcuts. Now this isn't necessarily needed. We can also stop it manually by tapping on the little pop-up that will be visible. So let's start recording, and there it is, the pop-up. I'm just gonna turn off the microphone. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded, and once you're done, like I said, you can tap right here, record save to gallery. So let's open up gallery, which is right over here, and there it is. Oh, there we go. So that is basically how you would record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.